Hey friends, hello, how are you? I'm your Zero to Hero coach Mayur Soni, and friends, today I'm here to present with you the 5 habits which you need to follow if you want to improve your English communication. So, the first habit, friends, the first thing you have to apply if you want to speak. If you want to speak, you have to speak. There is no option. Majority of the people ask me, sir, I want to improve my English communication. So I generally again ask them that what do you think, what is stopping you? Then they tell me, sir, we don't have the proper grammar knowledge, we don't have the proper vocabulary, we don't have the proper atmosphere, we don't know how to improve our English communication. But the thing is that majority of them are not speaking because they are not speaking. Okay, so try to understand, if you want to swim, then you have to jump in the swimming pool. Okay, you cannot be outside and you can just imagine that I want to swim. Okay, you have to swim. So in this way, if you want to improve your English communication, so make English as a part of your life and try to speak. Okay, not only read, not only write, but whatever you know, just try to explain. So let me give you an example that how you can do this. Okay, so simply whatever the words in general way you are speaking in your native language, so just try to translate them in English. Suppose you are going to your job, okay, at a particular time, so then speak this sentence in English. Try to speak, I'm going to my job, I'm driving my car, I'm going to meet my boss. Okay, in this way, just try to use, okay, this practice will help you a lot. The second habit I want to guide you, make one diary. Okay, because you know, if you want to improve, then definitely you need a vocabulary. And for this, the practice of the proper vocabulary, what you can do that every day, we know there is majority we find the atmosphere of the English. Okay, anywhere we go, there are many words we find. So simply you can just prepare 5 words. Okay, you can just observe the 5 words every day which are coming in front of you, and believe me, if you focus, okay, if you focus, then definitely you will find 5 words in a day easily. You just need to write those words, and every day from single word try to make one sentence. Let me give you an example. If you get the word success, so just note down that word and try to make one sentence. Success comes to those who works hard. Okay, so in this way, and in the if you are in a beginner level, then don't try to become the perfect. Okay, there will be a lot of mistakes you will find, but all the mistakes are fine, you just need to go ahead. The third thing you can do, find one accountability partner. Guys, you need a second force. With the single force, you cannot do everything. You need a second force. So that's why the accountability partner can be your colleague, can be your spouse, can be your brother, anyone with whom you can make the conversation. So with this activity, you will also feel okay, because many people also have the fear they cannot talk with the strangers. So when you do this practice, then the automatically fear will goes down. The fourth habit you can apply is find and proper atmosphere. Okay, there are many communities. We have our Zero to Hero community. In I have many students. Okay, many working professionals. Every day we do practice. Okay, every day I connect them in my lectures. Every day they perform tasks. So in this way, when you have the proper guidance and the proper mentorship, then the chances of your development automatically becomes high. And the fifth habit I want to guide you, follow the TED Talk. Okay, TED is the world's best platform for the successful speakers. And when you will visit the TED.com, TED.com, you will find many speakers there. What you need to do, just check out the TED.com and find the speakers, and every day just attend one speech. Okay, and when you complete the whole speech, and don't stop in between. Okay, just see the full speech and automatically you will understand 50 to 60% what the speaker is saying. What you need to do after that speech, simply go to the transcript. On TED.com you will find the transcript and try to speak in your way. Okay. If you do this practice till 21 days, then believe me, you will find the magical results. Okay. So these are the 5 habits from my side to improve your English communication. I hope these habits are going to help you a lot. So let's meet in our next video. Thanks a lot.